Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential books on personal development and success, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you're looking to unlock the secrets to wealth and success, this book might just be the blueprint you need. So let's get into it! Published in 1937, Think and Grow Rich has sold over 100 million copies worldwide. Napoleon Hill spent 20 years studying the habits and principles of the world's most successful people. This book distills his findings into actionable steps that anyone can follow. Let's break down the core concepts that make this book a timeless classic. Concept 1. The power of desire. First up, let's talk about desire. Napoleon starts with the idea that strong, burning desire is the starting point of all achievement. It's not enough to simply wish for success. You have to want it with a passion that transcends everything else. Napoleon outlines a 6-step method to transform desire into its physical equivalent. This includes defining your goals, setting a deadline, and creating a detailed plan. He stresses the importance of visualization and affirmations in making your goals a reality. For instance, writing down your goals and reading them aloud twice daily can significantly enhance your focus and commitment. Concept 2. Faith and belief. Next, let's dive into faith. Napoleon argues that belief is a powerful force that can turn desire into reality. By developing unwavering faith in your goals, you align your subconscious mind to help you achieve them. Napoleon suggests using positive affirmations to cultivate faith. Repeating positive statements about your goals can help reprogram your mind for success. For example, saying, "I am becoming rich" daily can shift your mindset from doubt to belief. Concept 3. Autosuggestion. This is the process of influencing your subconscious mind through repetitive, positive thoughts. Napoleon believes that by constantly feeding your mind with positive thoughts, you can overcome self-doubt and negative beliefs. It's all about consistency. The more you repeat positive affirmations, the more they become ingrained in your subconscious. This technique can be particularly powerful when combined with visualization, where you imagine yourself already in possession of your goals. Concept 4. Specialized knowledge. Napoleon emphasizes that general knowledge alone is not enough to achieve success. Instead, you need specific knowledge related to your goals. This could mean furthering your education, learning from mentors, or gaining experience in your chosen field. Hill suggests forming a mastermind group, a group of like-minded individuals who support each other's goals. This network can provide you with the specialized knowledge and insights you need to succeed. Concept 5. Imagination. Imagination is another crucial element in Think and Grow Rich. Napoleon describes imagination as the workshop where all plans are created. By using creative visualization, you can generate ideas and plans that can lead to success. There are 2 types of imagination. Synthetic imagination, which involves arranging old concepts into new combinations, and creative imagination, which is the ability to generate entirely new ideas. Both are essential for innovation and problem solving. Concept 6. Organized planning. Organized planning is the crystallization of desire into action. Hill stresses the importance of creating a definite plan and following through with persistent action. He also highlights the importance of flexibility and being willing to adjust your plans as needed. Creating a step-by-step plan and setting short-term and long-term goals can help you stay on track. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan ensures that you remain adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. Concept 7. Decision and persistence. Decision and persistence are twin pillars of success, according to Hill. Successful people make decisions promptly and stick to them. Indecisiveness and procrastination are major barriers to achievement. Hill also emphasizes the importance of persistence. It's not enough to just start working towards your goals. You have to keep going despite obstacles and setbacks. He encourages building a habit of persistence by consistently pushing through difficulties. Concept 8. The power of the mastermind. The mastermind principle is about harnessing the power of collective intelligence. Napoleon suggests that surrounding yourself with a group of supportive, like-minded individuals can exponentially increase your chances of success. By collaborating with others, you can leverage their knowledge, experience, and resources. This not only provides you with new insights, but also motivates you to stay committed to your goals. Concept 9. The subconscious mind. Finally, Hill delves into the power of the subconscious mind. He believes that our subconscious mind is a powerful tool that can be programmed for success through repetitive thoughts and beliefs. By consistently feeding your subconscious mind with positive affirmations and visualizations, you can align your inner beliefs with your outer goals. This alignment is crucial for achieving lasting success. Bringing it all together, Think and Grow Rich offers a comprehensive roadmap to achieving wealth and success. By applying these principles, desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistence, and the mastermind, you can transform your life. Remember, the journey to success is not a straight line. It requires dedication, adaptability, and a positive mindset. But with the strategies outlined in Napoleon Hill's book, you have a powerful toolkit to guide you. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal development and success strategies. And if you've read Think and Grow Rich, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How has it impacted your life? Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.